ऐश्वर्या, मेरा सवाल आपसे। ऐश्वर्या, हस्बैंड वाइफ की कहानी आपने जैसे प्रोमो में देखा, प्रोमो देखकर आप काफ़ी इमोशनल भी हुई, तो अभिषेक को आप यहाँ पर कितना मिस कर रहे हैं?
आपको मुझसे बस सवाल पूछना ही था कि ये मतलब ये मैं क्या बोलूं?
कोई
आधे घंटे में घर जा रही हूँ, मिलेंगे फिर से।
कोई मेमोरी अगर आप शेयर करना, अभिषेक के साथ की कोई अगर आप मेमोरी शेयर करना चाहे, कोई यादें अगर जुड़ी हो आप?
मैं जुड़ी हूँ, मैं जिंदगी में बिता रही हूँ साथ में, अभी यादें तो हर क्षण बन रहे हैं। I might not speak Marathi that fluently, so I won't take the risk, but I completely understand. Thank you so much for having me here today.
ऐश्वर्या जी, मेरा एक सवाल है, मैं समीर परांजपे दिव्य मराठी से। आप मराठी पिक्चर में काम करने की सोच रही है क्या?
I don't know where, I can't see the gentleman. अभी इतने flash bulbs हैं। जी नमस्कार। I would love to. I mean, I really would. So thank you very much for asking me right here publicly in front of the media. I started with a Tamil film. I started my career with the Tamil film, and I've always, very obviously by my choices over the years, made it very clear that I am an actor. And it doesn't matter where the movie is being made or in which language or with whom or by whom. I've never been one to cater to all these expected norms. I've carved my own journey, and I think my career is proof enough of that. So of course, I would love to work in Marathi as well as in any other language that a movie gets presented to me with, as long as the script excites me and I'm happy to work with the team. Of course, I'd love to.
ऐश्वर्याला प्रश्न आहे की मराठी फिल्म बघतेस का, आणि लेटेस्ट एखादी फिल्म आवडली कुठची मराठीतली?
लेटेस्ट मी कोणी पण पिक्चर नाही बघितले, neither Hindi nor Marathi. I haven't recently watched many movies because I've just been a little personally occupied, so I haven't really watched many movies. So I'm sorry, I will not be able to belt out latest names for you. Way back in the past I have, but I'm not going to mention those titles because it's really way back in the past. Do I enjoy cinema? Of course, I'm an actor. We all enjoy cinema. So I hope to be able to answer that question on another forum. Vikram is already getting antsy to wrap it up. So I definitely want to say he once came to my home on Raksha Bandhan. Very sweetly. Tie me Rakhi. You can be my sister. I was like, wow. He's chosen, you be my sister, but you tie me Rakhi. And how sweetly it brought me a Ganesh Murti. And he said, keep this. This is my good wishes for you. And whether or not we do this customarily every year, I'll always be there. And I will always regard you, my sister. There's a time for everything we were talking about recently. And this was meant to be it. And I'm so glad his first movie is in his mother tongue. It is in the language, it's the story he wants to eventually tell. There's a right time, and that blessing comes from up there. And even then, back then when he had narrated the subject to Shamak and me, and we were on board because he was so passionate, and he still is, and he's like this little excited boy giving instructions and fully revved up, and that's what you need to enjoy cinema. You have to enjoy it. You have to enjoy every aspect of creativity, because cinema is a melting pot of so many creative talents. And when you're involved in every aspect of it, you enjoy it. And God bless you, Vikram, and kudos and congratulations to your entire team, and your parents must be so proud. Their blessings and all our love. God bless you. And the whole team.